A modern restaurant needs an efficient and up-to-date POS system. To keep up with technology advancements, it's important to assess your system regularly. Here are some factors to consider. The first factor to consider is payment and order management. A reliable POS system should provide various payment options, such as credit cards, debit cards, and gift cards, as well as support online order integrant to streamline operations. The second factor is customer relationship and employee management. A modern POS system should support customer relationship management with data analysis and loyalty programs. Additionally, it should include employee management features such as performance tracking and scheduling to improve efficiency. The third factor is after-sales service and menu management. A reliable POS system should provide prompt technical support to minimize disruptions and offer robust menu management capabilities with cloud-based data storage. Consider upgrading to AIYAPOS if your current POS system lacks the essential features mentioned above. This advanced system offers practical functions such as online order integration, multiple payment methods, remote menu modification, cloud storage, and employee management. With dedicated after-sales bilingual support, AIYAPOS provides reliable and professional assistance whenever you need it. If you're interested in learning more about restaurant operation strategies, please follow AIYA Technology for further insights. Alternatively, you can call 888-622-0811 to consult a dedicated specialist and find out more.